Dear students, in the previous classes, we were familiar with 4-digit numbers. For example, I write here some numbers. First is 7846. It is also in a 4-digit. Second, 1000. Third is 9999. We take only few examples, and in these examples 1000 is the smallest number of 4 digit and 9999 is the 4 digits greatest number. We take one more example. It is 3642 and it has 4 digits. And how we read it? 3642. These are including small numbers of 4 digits. If we have given a large number of 6 and 7 digits, then how can we read that? So our new chapter is about large numbers beyond 9999 or more than 4 numbers. Here we have a large number of 6 digits. Then how can we read it and write it? To understand large numbers, firstly we need to know about Indian place value chart. See, a place value chart gives us the value of each digit in a numerical based on its position. Place value chart is separated into groups and these groups are called periods. Here 3 periods are there: ones period, thousands period, then lakhs period. And each period is divided into places. Our first period is about ones place. Our first period is ones and it is divided into 3 places. First is ones, second is tens places, third is hundred places. Our next period is thousand period and it is also divided into 2 parts, 2 places. First is thousands place, second is called 10,000s place. Our next period is divided into 2 places. First is lakhs, second is 10 lakhs. And here we have some symbols which represent the each places in a short form. For ones place we use O, tens place we use capital T, for hundreds place we use H. Then thousands place is represented by the TH and 10,000 is represented by T and TH. Lakhs is represented by L and 10 lakh is represented by TL. Each period is separated from the next period by commas. Here red lines shows the commas. For example, this is the ones period and then we put the comma. To separate the thousands period from the lakh period, we put here comma in between these two periods. Take one example. While reading a number, all the digits in the same period read together in the same period is read along. Take one example for this. We have taken a number here of 7 digits. In this number, we separate all the digits by their places and their periods. Here 0 comes in the ones period and ones place. 8 comes at the tens place and in ones period. 5 comes in the hundreds place and ones period. Next, this is a 1 period, and to separate this period from the next period we put here comma. Here 2 comes at the thousands place and in thousands period. 4 comes in the 10,000s place and thousands period. And to separate this period also from the lakhs period we again put here comma. 7 comes at the lakhs place and in lakhs period. 8 comes in the 10 lakhs place and in lakhs period. Then how can we read it? We read the numbers according to their places and their periods. In each period we have given 3 or 2 digits. We read these 3 digits together and these 2 digits together, for example 42, and these 2 digits 87, and each period is read along their period name. For example, how we write its number name? It comes in the lakhs period 87, so we write here 87 and followed by the lakh period, so we write here lakh. Next one 42, we write here 42 and it is followed by the thousands period, we write here thousand. In last ones period comes 3 digits and these all 3 digits read together, it is 580. We not write here ones place, we write only 580. So the number in the last, what number is comes? 87,42,580. So this is all about our large numbers, and to read these large numbers, our Indian place value chart help us. And thank you.